Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to run a C program file in your computer from A to Z. So let's start the journey. Okay, to run a C program, basically you need to have three things. First of all, a computer, as you are watching this video. So I think you all have a computer. Number two, an IDE, which is Integrated Development Environment. IDE is a tool in which you will write the course. Number three, compiler, for making your course understandable to your computer. In this video, I will use VS Code as IDE and I will install Mingw-w64 as a compiler using MSYS2. Okay, let's install the VS Code. For installing VS Code, I will open up a browser. Here, I am using Chrome and you can use whatever you want. Now, in the search bar, I will search for download VS Code. Here, we will go with the first link and click here. You can see the options for different operating systems like Windows, Linux, Mac. I will install it for Windows. So I will download by clicking here. Here you can see our download has started. As I have already downloaded, so I'm not downloading it again. Okay. After completing the download, here we can see the file. Now double click in it. Here you can see the license agreement. Click here to accept and click next and click next and next again. Now here, check all the boxes and go to next. Click on install, start the installation. Click finish to insert the installation. Our IDE installation is completed now. You can see the VS Code on the screen here. Now I will open up the VS Code inside this folder I have created by the name test. Right click on it, click on show more options and then click on open with VS Code. Now you can see the welcome screen of VS Code. We have to create a file here to write any program. Click on this icon to create a file. I am giving the file name tutorial.c. You can give any other name by following some rules, but you must have to add .c extension as we will write a C program here. Now I am writing a very simple C program here which will take two integers as input and then it will print them on the screen. Now to run this code on the terminal, click on the three dot icon, then click on terminal and then click on new terminal. Here I will write gcc space, then I will give the file name which is tutorial.c and then press on enter button. You can see an error message here that gcc is not recognized. To solve this problem, we have to install the gcc. For installing gcc, I will open up a browser and I will search for MSYS2. I will also provide the link in the description. If you click here, you will find the .exe file of MSYS2. Simply click over the file and then you can see the download has started. As I have already downloaded, so I'm not downloading this again. Now go to the download folder and you can see the downloaded .exe file here. Double click over this .exe file, then you can see the welcome screen of MSYS2 setup. You have to click on next. If you want, you can change the file location here by clicking on browse. I will keep it as default and click on next. Again click next to start the installation. Wait for a while to complete the installation. Click on finish to end up the installation. You can see a terminal window. Here write the command pacman space -SYU and press the enter button to update the packages. This will take some time depending on your net connection. Here press Y to proceed and press the enter button. And after finishing this, write Y here and press the enter button. This will close the terminal. Now go to the all apps option and find out the MSYS2. Click on it. From here you have to choose MSYS2 MSYS. This will open a terminal again, and here write a command pacman space minus capital S U and then press the enter button. Now write Y here and then press enter to proceed the installation. This will take some time depending on your net connection. Close this terminal now. Again go to the all apps and find the MSYS2. This time you have to go with MSYS2 Mingw-w64. As I am using 64-bit operating system, click on MSYS2 Mingw-w64. This will open a terminal again. Here write the command pacman space capital S small s space gcc and hit the enter button. Here you can see the packages of GCC for different different programming languages like Ada, Fortran, Objective-C, etc. But we need the GCC for C programming language. Here you can see the package name for 64-bit operating system. You also will find for the 32-bit operating system if you scroll and search here. As I am using 64-bit operating system, so I will copy this one. After selecting, right click on mouse, then you can see the option for copying this. Now clear the terminal by writing a command clear and hit the enter button. Here write a command pacman space minus capital S and paste the package name that we copied earlier. Now hit the enter button and then write Y and press enter again to proceed. This will take some time depending on your net connection to install all the toolset for GCC. Now clear the terminal again and write a command gcc space minus minus version and press the enter button. Then you can see that the latest version of GCC is installed, which is 13.2.0. We also have a toolset by the name G++. So write the command G++ space minus minus version and hit the enter button. You can see that it has also been installed with its latest version. We have another toolset by the name GDB, which is a debugger. Write this command and hit the enter button. You can see that it's showing command not found, which means it's not installed. Clear the terminal again and write a command here pacman space minus capital S small s gdb and then hit the enter button. Now you can see all the packages of gdb. From here you have to copy this one for 64-bit operating system. So I will copy this one. Then here I will write a command pacman space minus capital S and paste that we copied. and then press the enter button. Here write Y and enter to proceed the installation. This will take some time depending on your net connection. After finishing the installation, clear the terminal again by writing the command clear. Now, if you write the previous command gdb space -- version, you can see that now it's not showing the previous message like command not found, and you also see the version of gdb that we installed here. Now close the terminal. Now I will open up that test folder in VS Code again. Here from this three dot icon, select terminal and then click on new terminal. To run this code here, write gcc, then the file name which is tutorial.c, and press on enter button. You can see the same error message like the previous one, that gcc is not recognized. So check this out, why it's happening. To check this, press on Windows plus R and search for cmd here, then press on enter. You can see the command from here. Write a command gcc space -- version and press on enter. You can see that it's showing gcc is not recognized. Similarly, if you search for g++ and gdb, you will get the same error message like that. To solve this issue, you have to set the path name in the system environment variable. Now go to your setting, then in the search bar search for environment, and here you can see that edit system environment variable. Click over this. It will open up your system properties. From here, click on environment variable, select the path. After that, click on edit. Here you can see the options to add a new path. If you click this new option, then you can add a path here. Now we will set the path name. For that, go to your C drive, then MSYS2 From here, go to this Mingw-w64 folder and then go to this bin folder. Here you can see the packages gcc, g++, then gdb that we have installed. Now here, copy the path name. If you make a right click here, it will be selected, then simply copy this and here click on new and paste the path that we copied, then click on OK, again OK, and again OK. Now if I again open up the command from here, if I write the same previous command, then this time you can see that it's showing the version that we have installed in our computer. Now go to the VS Code again. Here write gcc, then the file name, sorry, not version, and then hit the enter button. Here you can see the same error again. You may not find this error again in your computer if you closed the VS Code and then reopen it again. So I will close this and then I will open it again. Here in the terminal, if I write gcc, then the file name which is tutorial.c, and then press on enter, this time you can see that ea.exe file which is created after compiling this code. Now here press on a plus tab and then press on enter. You can see that our code is running successfully this time. If I keep two number here and then if I press enter, then you can see that it's printing the given number on the screen. Now go to the extension and search for code runner. You can see the code runner for C, C++, Java, etc. Click over this and then install it. After installing, you can see a play button here to run our code. Now you can see that it's not printing in our terminal. So go to the code runner and here click on this gear icon and then extension settings. Scroll down
Then check this box to run your code on terminal. At this time, if I click on this play button, you can see that our code is running successfully on terminal. You can enter number here like this.